Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to be trying this slime. I bought it from the warehouse. I was at Cleveland. It cost $3, and it looks like a water slime. And I'm just going to rate this. So I didn't open it yet, and sadly they had to put on tape since the lid was gone. But so yeah. But do you like the new ring wrap anyways? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go get a knife to cut this open, and yeah. Okay, I got the knife, so I'm ready to cut this open. And don't worry, I used my permission. That's so loud. I'm going to, I got jump scared. And I was like, I got so scared. Oh my god. Ooh, this is actually really, this feels nice. Yeah, I haven't even touched it yet. Okay, this, I'm so glad it's not melted, because it said it had missing items from it. Feels like the ingredients, so just gonna pull it out. Okay. So gooey. Now this is not sticky, but it's so gooey. It feels so gross. Ew, what is this? What the heck is this? It's so slimy. At least it's still. It smells like cake. It's supposed to be watermelon. Okay, but I don't know what this is. Comment down below if you know what this is. But yeah, this feels so weird. I don't know why, but it feels like it's not. So gross. But at least it's satisfying. Oh, it doesn't make good Pokeball sounds, but at least it's actual slime. I thought it was melted. And this is like, I never felt this texture before. So, yeah. Wait, it's so pretty. But, yeah. It's just how it is. I love it. Okay, I never felt this texture before. It's like hard, but soft at the same time, and gooey, really gooey actually. Whenever you grab it, it feels like you're just having a handful of water, but when you drop it, it feels weird. It's so heavy too, actually. It's like blah, 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 blah. I don't know if you guys can see. Wait, I need to hold the camera. Okay, is that slime? So jiggly. Oh yeah, I forgot to take my ring off before it gets dirty. Okay, I need. How do you put this down? Okay, I need to take my. Bruh. Okay, I took my ring off, my beautiful ring. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, here's the slime. Oh my god, you guys can't even see it. That's so big. Okay, it's not even Pokeball, but at least it's jiggly. Oh my god, it feels like, I think this is water slime actually. It might be water slime because it feels so jiggly. It's so hard to record it with one hand and the other hand just playing with the slime. Couldn't even poke this, but at least it's something. When I saw in the container, I was like, oh my god, is that already melted? So I want to show you guys. It cost $3 too, actually, so it's actually worth for $3. But yeah. But if I had to rate this, I would have given it at least a 7 out of 10. I mean, it is nice, I guess. But look at this. Can't even. Wait. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, no matter what, do. Bruh. If you guys can hear my dad, he's actually don't mind my dad, he's just talking. Okay. I'm gonna do something real quick. I love how I'm just focused on the video, not the slime. But I'm gonna cut this. I don't know why okay, yeah, it's not gonna be cut. But yeah. But that's all for today. So hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe, like my YouTube channel. See you guys later. Bye.